Gourmet truck stop food. Some ground turkey or sausage, whatever your favorite flavor is. Family size of some chicken bacon ranch mac and cheese skillet or whatever other flavor you find. A microwave, a couple of containers, and a few minutes later, your noodles are just about done. We're going to be adding the bacon ranch mac and cheese skillet flavoring sauce and some sausage. Alright, sauce packets are in. I forgot to mention that a third container or bowl, which this one, I'm going to get a clean one, and then finish microwaving. Once we're good and warm, place in another bowl and eat.